What's going on, fam? Jericho here. Today we are doing an unboxing of this motorcycle chain slack adjustment tool from BPA Racing. I saw this on Facebook ads, and they have some plenty of pretty good reviews in there, so I decided to go ahead and get one for myself. It's supposed to work for any type of motorcycles, so if you have super bikes or naked or dirt bike, as long as it's using a chain drive, then this should work fine. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it. BPA Racing Motorcycle Chain Slack Adjuster Tool. So it's supposed to be very easy to use, and it makes adjusting your chain slack easier, quicker, and more precise. Right? It's pending patent. Yeah, whenever you see one of these shiny sticker right here, you know it's good quality, right? How to calibrate? Well, we'll go ahead and follow this later. Here we go. Wow. Dear rider, thank you for your purchase. The whole BPA team wishes you the most amazing, adventurous, and always safe rides. Please remember, if you need any help at all, we are always available to share our knowledge with you and answer any questions. That's pretty cool. Alright, I got this little nice pouch with their logo in it. So this comes in different colors. So I got the red one, or orange. It comes in blue, red, and some other color. I tried to get the red one. Unfortunately, they're out of stock. Oh, there you go. It comes up already. There's more stuff at the back. Okay. So I like the finish. You know, it looks pretty durable. This spot right here is supposed to be the indicator. That middle part, this needs to align to the middle, and that will tell you that the slack is correct or proper handle. Left is too loose, right is too tight. And then this one, this hex cool. All right, so we're gonna calibrate this for my monster right here. So the thing is, if you have multiple motorcycles, you want to buy one for each, because once you calibrate this for a specific motorcycle, you can only use it for that. And you also want to make sure that your motorcycle has a properly adjusted chain already before you calibrate this, right? Because it's going to remember that setting. So this monster, that's why I'm using it for this, is because the other motorcycle that I have, the Panigale, needs to be adjusted, and I'm probably going to work on that this weekend. And that also means that I need to buy another one of this in a different color for the Panigale. What you want to do is, see this bottom part of your chain right here? You want to put the chain between these two first, like this. Right now, if you guys can see it. And then the next part, this bottom part right here, you will need to basically push this up and rest it against the top of that chain. So now it is resting in there. And then these two, the next thing you want to do is you want to use this tool to basically adjust it, right? All right, there you go. So we need to make sure that that little line right here at the bottom needs to align that line or space on the top right there. All right, so we're gonna loosen up this screw first. Okay, and then you wanna use this to basically align them right there, and then you wanna tighten it up again. Okay, make sure it doesn't move, and that's it. It is now calibrated for this motorcycle. I hope you like this video, and see you guys next time.